I was blind. The next day I could see. And I went back to school, got my master's in counseling, attained a university counseling position, got my PhD, became a leader in higher education transformation, and excelled in that job. Along the way, started investing in real estate and developed a considerable amount of wealth through that. And then, lo and behold, 2008 hits, and I am totally and completely wiped out. I lose my job, I lose the identity I had built with my job, and I lose my real estate wealth. Well, here I am at the bottom again, and as I reflect on the great beyond, if you know what I mean, I attained just a tad bit of mental health, and I realized that I'm still that 7th grade boy, consumed with homophobic self-hatred, with an intellectual inferiority complex. And so finally, 20 years after going into counseling and getting a degree in counseling and a PhD in psychology, I finally confront the core issues. And I step out of a closet bigger than a Kardashian's and rightly label the intellectual challenge as the dyslexia that it is. And really, for the first time in my life, I really embrace the dyslexia and my fabulous gayness. And I finally feel worthy of self-acceptance and worthy of wealth. And so I've built passive income. I am still a leader in education. And most importantly, I help others to flourish and to live abundantly in all areas of life.